Celebrating 100 families served and 125 lots sold. Rob Wilson with South Tampa Teardowns.com, where you can get a fair offer with fewer hassles when you sell your house to one of our trusted builder partners. This rental property owner didn't want to replace that air conditioning, among other things, and just got tired of living the life of a landlord. So they gave us a call. They got a fair offer from one of our trusted builder partners, and we put the deal together. It was really just that simple. If you've got an older, smaller home, especially a property that's got wall unit air conditioning, and you don't want to spend thousands of dollars updating the property before you sell it, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199. I'm Rob Wilson, the Director of Dirt at Exit Bayshore Realty, and you can also request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com.